Hello everyone. In today's video, we're gonna take a look at Amex Blue Cash every day. Now, as you can see, I have here a list with different features. So we're gonna take a look at all of them. And by the end of this video, you'll see if it's worth it or not. So we're gonna start with the annual fee, which is $0. We're gonna get a welcome bonus. So we're gonna get $200 statement credit after spending $2,000 within the first 6 months. Introductory APR, so 0% on purchases and balance transfer for 15 months, then a variable rate of 20 up to 29%. You're gonna also get cashback rewards, 3% up to $6,000 per year per category. So you have US supermarkets, US gas station, and online retail purchases. And after cap is reached, you're gonna earn 1% on all purchases. You have redemption option, additional perks, monthly statement credit, credit score requirement good to excellent, and the drawbacks. So we're gonna get 3% foreign transaction fees, and bonus reward caps and exclusions apply. Now we're gonna have here, so as you can see, we have who it suits best. So ideal everyday spenders on groceries, gas, and online shopping, those wanting cashback without an annual fee, and users who pay off balances in full since the intro APR is limited. Consider alternatives if you spend more than $61 per week on groceries, travel international often, and prefer unlimited flat rate cashback such as 2% on all spending. So basically that's it for today's video, guys. I really hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, guys.